Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Boho Laundry Basket is probably one of the most stylish and functional additions you can make to your home, effortlessly blending aesthetic appeal with practical storage needs, transforming a mundane chore into an opportunity to elevate your living space with its unique charm and natural textures, making it a statement piece that complements your decor while keeping your laundry neatly organized and out of sight. Number 5. YOUDENOVA Woven Rope Laundry Hamper Basket. Introducing our tall laundry hamper, crafted from 100% natural cotton rope. It's completely free from plastics and harsh chemicals, making it a safe choice for your family and home. This large hamper easily holds a week's worth of laundry, giving you more time to relax. Its sturdy handles can support up to 44 pounds, and the long design makes it easy to carry anywhere. Add a touch of Nordic elegance to any room with this slim and tall basket. It's perfect for your living room, bedroom, or nursery, and it folds flat for easy storage when not in use. With a generous 58L capacity, this basket helps you keep things organized in style. Use it for extra towels, blankets, clothes, toys, books, or any household items you need to store. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you're not completely happy with your purchase, please contact us, and we'll do our best to resolve any issues and ensure your contentment. What we like. This tall, natural cotton rope hamper is perfect for eco-conscious households. Its generous 58L capacity can hold a week's worth of clothes, making laundry day less frequent. If you're looking for a stylish, durable, and environmentally friendly option for your bedroom or nursery, this is the one. What people say. It's super cute. I've had it for about 5 years now and is still in the same condition that it was when I bought it. The storage capacity is great and it keeps its shape 100%. This is a great basket. I hide my litter, genie pail in it. It's the perfect size. I also like the handles because I can keep it off to the side and then when I need it, I can slide it across the floor in front of where I keep my litter boxes. It's easy to take outside and bang on the bottom and the sides in order to get any fallen litter sand out of periodically, and the basket itself does not draw any odor. No solo cumple con su funcionalidad en términos de almacenamiento, sino que su diseño y materials lo aportan un estilo decorativo que enriquece el ambiente. Los materials son de excelente calidad. Ha resistido varias lavadas sin decolorarse ni perder su forma, lo cual habla bien de su durabilidad. Su diseño tejido es muy atractivo y aporta un toque rústico y sofisticado al mismo tiempo. Number 4. SONGMICS 23.8 gallons. Collapsible Laundry Hamper ULCB 190W01. Crafted with durable materials, this laundry hamper is designed for heavy use. The sturdy fabric bag and wire frame can support a significant amount of laundry, so you can fill it to the brim with confidence. Moving your laundry is a breeze with this design. The removable liner bag easily detaches, and the convenient handles allow you to carry your clothes without struggling. Setting up this hamper is quick and easy. When you're done, it folds flat for convenient storage, saving you valuable space. Keep your laundry fresh and hygienic. The breathable, machine-washable liner bag helps eliminate odors, ensuring your clothes stay clean. Maintain a tidy appearance with ease. The drawstring closure at the top keeps your laundry out of sight, protecting your privacy and keeping your space neat. What we like. This hamper offers exceptional sturdiness and a large 90L capacity, ideal for busy households. The washable and breathable bag ensures hygiene, while the drawstring closure keeps laundry out of sight. If you need a practical, easy to manage, and hygienic laundry solution that can be conveniently stored away, consider this option. What people say. Sturdy, and I mean it. I have multiple large cats, I'm divorced, of course I got more cats, and they launch right off it without toppling the thing. Large capacity. I live in a split-level home with my washer and dryer upstairs. I loathe laundry days and put it off as long as possible. This basket lets me get away with that for far too long. Beautiful and functional laundry bag. I really like the bright teal laundry bag, and appreciate that it's structurally sound and can hold 2 weeks worth of laundry while I'm spending most of my free time sipping wine and being hysterical about my ex-husband's rapidly vanishing hairline. Number 3. HOSROOME Macrame Storage Basket, Set of 2. Discover our exquisite storage baskets, meticulously handcrafted from soft cotton rope. Each piece is woven with care, making it a truly unique and thoughtful gift. Looking for a special present? These baskets are a wonderful choice for friends and family. They add the perfect finishing touch to any home. These storage cubes are incredibly versatile. Use them in your bathroom, living room, kitchen, or office to keep all your essentials neatly organized. Embrace the bohemian style with these beautiful baskets. Their natural cotton rope and wood combination brings warmth and elegance to your decor. These baskets are designed to be both practical and beautiful. They offer a stylish solution for decluttering your space while enhancing its aesthetic appeal. Available in 2 convenient sizes, 13.4 by 6.7 by 3.9 inches and 11.8 by 5.5 by 3.5 inches, they fit perfectly anywhere in your home or office. What we like? These handmade cotton rope baskets bring a unique, artisanal touch to your home decor. The set of 2 offers versatile storage for various items, from bathroom essentials to living room clutter. If you love the bohemian aesthetic and appreciate handcrafted quality for organizing small spaces, these are a perfect choice. What people say. The basket is large enough to hold a lot of laundry. It looks great in my laundry room and is very sturdy. The handles make it easy to carry laundry to and from the washing machine. Number 2. Mkono Macrame Decorative Cotton Rope Basket. Introducing a beautifully crafted macrame basket, designed to add a touch of boho charm to any room. Its unique tassel detail makes it a standout piece for your home. This decorative basket is perfect for decluttering various spaces in your home. It fits seamlessly into your living room, bedroom, or nursery, offering stylish storage. Made from natural cotton rope, this basket measures 11x11. It's ideal for organizing smaller items and adds a natural, rustic feel to your decor. Beyond general storage, it's perfect for toys, books, towels, or even as a stylish cover for your potted plants. Keep your essentials neatly organized on any surface. Featuring a minimalist yet rustic design with durable handles, this basket combines elegance with practicality. It's a thoughtful gift for housewarmings and baby showers. Use it as a chic planter cover to elevate your houseplants. It adds a modern flair to your home or office, giving your plants a fashionable new look. What we like? This decorative macrame basket with a charming tassel detail adds a touch of boho chic to any room. While not ideal for large loads of laundry, it excels at organizing smaller items like toys, magazines, or even as a stylish planter cover. If you're seeking a cute, multifunctional accent piece to elevate your home style, this is a great pick. What people say. This cotton rope basket is the perfect boho chic touch I didn't know my space needed. The material feels sturdy yet soft, holds its shape beautifully, and instantly makes the room feel more warm and styled instead of cluttered. Super cute, holds a lot. Currently using it for blankets and can fit 3 to 4 blankets in it. Very durable. Medium weight. Handles to transfer it. Der Korbist nicht nur ästhetisch entsprechend, sondern auch unglaublich functional. Sein robustes Material gibt mir das Gefühl, dass lang halten wird, und das Design passt wunderbar zu meiner Einrichtung. Number 1. Best Choice Products Vintage Hyacinth Storage Basket. Introducing our Vintage Hyacinth Storage Basket, a beautifully handwoven organizer designed to complement any room in your home. Crafted with a sturdy metal wireframe and 100% natural hyacinth, it offers both durability and an authentic, eco-friendly touch. This multi-purpose basket is perfect for storage, as a plant holder, or even as extra seating, adding charm and practicality wherever it's placed. Easily transport your belongings around the house with its portable design. The included lid ensures everything stays securely inside during transit. Keep your living room, bathroom, or bedroom tidy with this aesthetically pleasing storage solution. It's the perfect blend of style and function. What we like? Crafted from 100% natural hyacinth, this basket offers an authentic, textured look and feel. The included lid helps keep contents hidden and prevents items from falling out during transport. If you desire a durable, multi-purpose organizer with a natural aesthetic for your living room, bedroom, or bathroom, and appreciate the convenience of a lid, this is an excellent selection. What people say. The basket is large enough to hold a lot of laundry. It is made of sturdy material and holds its shape well. The design is attractive and complements the decor of the room. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.